Hi, and thanks for watching Earth Art Build. This is a video demonstrating our solar system. This is a 12-volt solar system with two 120-watt panels. That's 240 watts of solar power. They're mounted to our 12-6 roof on this little tiny mobile cabin. There it is. And these two solar panels are going to be able to power most of the daily activities of this house. So I'm up here just to show you kind of where it starts, and then I'll go inside and show you the battery system and the charge controller and the electrical panel, and then how this stuff charges. So thanks for watching. So here's some more about our electrical system. Our charge controller is a 30 amp Prostar, which is charging right now. You can see the blinking light indicating that the battery is getting charged, and then the other light is indicating that the solar setup is indeed set up. For the load side of this, it goes through the charge controller from the batteries, of course, and then to this breaker, which is a 30 amp breaker made by Square D. They're about $4, and that allows me to turn off the entire DC electrical system to the house. From there it goes through this black cable, the big one, and back into the wall, and then over behind all this stuff in the wall into this little box. And this is the box is designed for residential use, but right now I have it set up with a bunch of car breakers, and these are all based on the amperage. So if there's a high amount of amperage, 10 amps or more, these things will pop and they blow. And I've actually blown a few in doing the electrical work, but apparently it takes about 40 watts to get, or 40 volts to push electricity through your skin, so you don't really get shocked by these 12-volt systems, and that's pretty cool. So from here the power goes again through the walls all over the place, including to this DC pump, which is made by SureFlow. I was told recently that this pump is obsolete and should be replaced, but it seems to work fine, so I'm going to keep it until it breaks. It also powers our speaker system in the house, and of course our electric lights, and that's actually where the stereo is going to be. And then those are car chargers, just like in a regular car, so we can plug in cell phones and iPads and MP3 players, all sorts of stuff like that. Here's our electrical switches. I just turned on a little hallway light, which I don't like very much. It's a little bit blue, but that's okay. Over in here is our bathroom. We got some shelves. It's very wooden. It's got a composting toilet in here, and a little sink, and a little mirror. There's my face somewhere. There it is. And here's our electrical switch. Oh, I guess I have this circuit turned off, but anyway, it powers that light. And then over here we've got some lights that I can turn on and off, and this is our back wall with our window and our little living room setup, which is above our little bedroom setup, which is down here. Most of the things I've got plugged in now are actually 120-volt systems, but we've got two parallel electrical systems, so that's that. And I'm going to turn on the light to the bedroom, and then that was from back behind me, but you can use this switch to turn the light off. So got a bunch of complicated wiring here for a little bit of a house, but you know, you want it nice and modern and fully functional.